Don Schreiber and you make Action News 24 #1. This is ABC.
It's Friday night, and the mood is right. Gonna have some fun, show you how it's done, TGIF.
Old Man Winter has been front and center the past several hours. More than 50 inches of snow in some areas since this storm began. Plus, if you're traveling today on some roads, be aware reduced speed limits are in effect.
Here's some data here. 34 inches of new snow. That is a record 24-hour snowfall amount for Erie on Christmas, and the third most in the state for a 24-hour period. 53 inches of snow since midnight. That's got to be a record. But check this out. With the snowfall, that gives us 92 inches of snow for the month, clearly breaking the 67 inches or almost back in 1989. And 100 inches, 101 is our normal amount for the season. So, and there's a chance we could get another 8 or 9 inches of snow before the year goes out. Could you imagine a 100-inch month of snow for Erie? That's a lot.
Now, as you can see, the dome is nearly gone. The park's website states that as of Tuesday, the dome is closed indefinitely due to the snow accumulation over the past few days. Now, the dome reportedly is not permanently damaged and may be able to be reinflated.
David, at this hour, the city of Erie and Mill Creek Township are officially under a snow emergency. Residents are urged to stay off of the city Erie streets until it stops snowing. And many of the roads are dangerous and impassable. In Mill Creek, drivers are not allowed on township roads without snow tires or change. And we're told anyone found driving without the proper equipment may be subject to fines. Also, there's a no on-street parking allowed during this time. Vehicles will be towed without notice. State police are also urging everyone to stay inside as crews work to clear the streets.
Snowfall around the region. Airport, 53 inches so far. Not everyone got that much, but boy, the airport got hit. You can see this was a lakeshore event, much less snow. Becky got 20 inches, Edinburgh 10, and even less than that for areas farther south.
Cars all over town today. It's going to take quite some time to dig out of there. You know, we did talk to the supervisor in the Public Works Department this morning, and he said that they have extra crews out, all their crews out. Even the head of the Public Works Department is out there in a plow. They called some guys in from the Streets Department to, from the Sewer Department. So they have everybody they can in to hit these streets. As we were traveling around, we could tell the streets that were covered and that have been passed with the plow, and there's still several others that need clearing. So please take your time, take it slow, and if you don't need to go out, please don't.
Causing this, of course, a jackknife tractor trailer didn't help either. It had traffic bottled up between Route 430 and Route 531 exits. This was around 1 o'clock yesterday afternoon, reducing speed limits on Northwest Region highways because of this storm. PennDOT is urging people to stay inside. State police also echoing that request. But for people on the roads, following throughways will be reduced to 45 miles per hour until further notice. 80, those speed limits now at 45 miles an hour. PennDOT recommends people do not drive during the storm, but motorists can check conditions by visiting PA511.com.
Tonight, with millions on the roads, the Lake Effect Snow Machine is shattering records and grinding travel to a halt. The city of Erie, Pennsylvania, declaring a snow emergency. Crews unable to keep up with the nearly 4.5 feet of snow that fell in just 36 hours.
And take a look at this. It's hard to make out with all that snow and ice, but this newly released NOAA satellite image is showing the Great Lakes and those thick clouds from Minnesota to New England.
TGIF has just begun, so make your fridge run, then get back to the fun.
It's going to be the biggest, wildest party of the year, and you're invited to Fox New Year's Eve Live. Join Martin Lawrence, Bobcat Goldthwait, Penn and Teller, and superstar Elton John for 90 minutes of comedy, music, and magic. It will be very enjoyable. Fox New Year's Eve Live, tonight.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let the fun begin.
WJET TV 24 Erie.
the one day don't got those stupid salt dirt things out, so I'm conquering every hill. As long as one comes around the corner and kills me, do not enter. Yeah! Woohoo! Dude, I'm gonna conquer this. That was the biggest hill on Lakeside. Okay. This is the Mondo Hill. Right by the forest. Oh boy. This is gonna be crazy. It's gonna be mega crazy. Oh yeah. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Alright! Come on, let's make it to the bridge. If I make it to the bridge, that's a record. The bridge is the record. Now I'm slowing down. Here we go. This hill's long. Feel the rhythm. Feel the ride. Get on up. It's bobsled time. Here we go. Oh yeah, this is the slick stuff right here. Oh yeah. Yeah. Whoa, we're flying. Whoa, whoa. On a luge down. I'm gonna luge. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Ah. Oh my god. Oh. Do some, I'm not sure whether it's illegal or not, Christmas street luge. Oh yeah, Christmas street luge. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh, the Christmas luge is crazy, man. Oh, what's that? Oh. There's my job. That's where I work. Imagine if I worked here in the winter, I could just sled ride down to my house. I mean, if I worked here in the winter, I could just sled ride down to work from my house.
Someone's going to win $100,000 in the next America's Funniest Home Videos. I'll be in my lint-free tux, and special guests will be popping in, but I can't say who. Sunday.
Boy, Billy, sure is fun, you know? This was fun watching TGIF together as a family. Let's do it again.
Yeah, next week on Step by Step, Mom goes back to college.
I can't wait to see that.
Maybe by then you'll stop hogging the couch.
I'm hugging the couch. You're the hog.
Oh, yeah.
They're crazy about each other.